Okay, hello students. Okay, so I'm going to brief you on the group project for the Culinology 101 assessment task 4. So this assessment will be 25% of your total final assessment, okay, the marks. The due date is going to be week 9. You can start doing it now, no problem. Okay, so week 9, you should submit between this date. All right. For this group project, it's going to base on drawing a mind map. Okay, drawing a mind map. So you can see over here. All right. So students are required to form a group of 2 to 3. So for this assignment, students are required to form a group of 2 to 3 members, okay, to develop a product concept through product ideation and present using a mind map. Okay, so the mind map is to be drawn on a Google Draw. Okay, instead of the A3 paper, now you need to draw into Google Draw and submit on week 9. Okay. The mind map need to include the 4 key areas, which includes the target market and selling point, product compositions, products characteristics, and also this is very important. You need to demonstrate the awareness of social responsibilities, cultural diversities, legal, ethical, and professional codes of practice in food industry locally as well as globally. So these are some of the components. You can choose either one, okay, no problem, not needed to have all of them together. Yeah, so what you need to do is that each students will be assigned to a team. Okay, so I have already done the team. What you need to do, right, is to nominate a team leader. The purpose of having a team leader is to make sure that task has been completed, okay, in a timely manner. That doesn't mean that the team leader doesn't need to do anything. Team leader need to do as well, okay, but also have additional responsibility to make sure that things are going through. Okay, so it's more like you can also remind your team members to complete certain tasks if they are not completing it. Okay, then you need to discuss through the Padlet. Okay, so I have created the Padlet for each of the teams. Later I will go through it one by one. And also then after that you need to complete the mind map through Google Draw. Google Draw is an online applications that you can directly draw on it and I can view it. Okay, so this is examples of the Google Draw. So before I start, this is only an example, a simplified examples. Okay, I need you to be more comprehensive, search more for more information to make it more interesting. Okay, because the marks will be depending on the your content. All right. So you can refer back to the rubrics, which is down at the bottom. Okay, there's a file for that. So you can see from here, okay, so this is the concept. You draw in the middle, and then after that you will do the product compositions. Okay, so you got, for example, this you got the boba pearls and the non-dairy milk because it's for vegan populations. Okay, then after that some of the characteristics, okay, the target market, and the social responsibility is to make sure that the product doesn't contribute to obesity. Okay, so for this I have already separated into teams, so I need you the whole group to work together. Okay, so for team 1 got 4 person. All right, team 2, team 3, and team 4. Okay, so each of the team you have your individual the Padlets. All right, so let's go to look at the Padlets. Just click on it. You will go to the Padlet. So this is your team member. The names are all here. So to nominate your team leader, just click here and then write the name in the next post. Over here, these are the tasks you need to complete. When you need to complete, it's really up to you. Okay, so you need to complete in a timely manner because you need to submit this by week 9. So you can start next week. Okay, So your task 1 is that you need to discuss and pick a product concept. So you can just, anyone can just click here and then just blow up your tell your opinion. What do you want the topic to be? Okay, but whenever you suggest a topic, okay, can be anything, no problem. Just keep on suggesting, okay, until you get a concept. But make sure that your concept need to have all these components in there, okay, because if you do not have the components, then you may not you may end up need to change again, okay. So make sure you have all this. Also for this, it does have to demonstrate some of these components, yeah. Then once you completed this task 1, then you will go to task 2, okay. Task 2 is where you start to segregate the tasks. Who will do this market target market, selling point, who will search for more information regarding this, and this, okay. So some people can take more than one, some people can just take one, okay. So it really depends on how you segregate. So again, plus here, and then write the name, who responsible for which parts. Then when you go to task 3, task 3 is where there will be a lot of information, because that is where the person in charge, okay, will post the content all up here. Okay, this also shows that you are doing your work, okay, and you can include a lot of stuff here. You can include different forms. You can upload different style of stuff. You can upload like songs, PDF, spreadsheet, a lot of files you can upload in here. You can also do a website link, take a picture, and so forth. So you have a lot of options to post all the information necessary for your parts over here. Just keep on click plus here, and you just add on in this column. Once you have all the information, this is where you need to complete your task 4. Task 4 is where you need to start designing your mind map. So how you do it is you need to like click on this part. Okay, so in this is the Google Draw. Okay, so each team have their own Google Draw. That is you can drag to make it bigger a bit, okay, as required. You can put your concept here, and then you can use a different option, okay, different options to actually draw your map. Alright, so you can have a different option to draw your mind map. Yeah, you can add pictures, you can add, it's very versatile, the software. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, that's it. Okay, that is where I will your Google the draw, I will use it to access. To safeguard, right, you can actually save, make a copy or download into your computer. Okay, the team leader, I would require the team leader to download this, the JPEG or the PDF into your, to backup, basically is to backup into your computer, so that you have one copy in hand in case something happened to this Google Draw. Okay, you still have a backup. Okay, so team leader, I need you to back up your Google Draw again once you have done the mind map. Okay, so going back here, so each one you can see they have their own Padlet link and the Google Draw link. Okay, team 2, team 3, team 4. Okay, so this is a marking rubric. And then okay, once you have done the assessment task 4, then I need you to do the assessment task 2, which is self-reflection of the process of you doing assessment task 4. So for this is very simple. It's 10 marks in total. Okay, so when you are doing this, I need you to this is a guideline over here, repair learning assignment. Okay, and okay, just let me, okay, and over here you can submit your assignment in this folder. Yeah, submit your in this folder. Over here when you click on that, okay, then you can submit in here. Okay, this is a textual view, that's why I cannot see anything, but you can submit over here, and I want you to actually use this template. Okay, you can see over here, Culinology101 reflective template. Use this word template. The reflective only takes about like 1 or 2 pages, that's it. Okay, 1 to 2 pages. Again, the more you reflect, deeper is better. Okay, so again, this is the template. Just save on it. In the template, it display the is a very simple template. Okay, so in this template, you put in your full name, your student ID, then you start to reflect. Okay, 1 to 2 pages. That's it. Okay, 1 to 2 pages. Then you save this and then you submit through the assignment submission here. Okay, you should be able to see there's a button to submit your assignment. All right, so in total, all right, let me get back over here. So in total, you got 2 things you need to do. You need to do the mind map, okay, which is in total 25%, and then to do the task 2, which is reflection of how you do your mind map, what is working, what is not, okay, what's enjoyable and things like that, just to write it down. Yeah, so you then after that you submit through this link over here, reference assignment submission here. Okay, all right, so and this one is 10%. In total, these two plus together is 35%. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, all right, that's it for the briefing for the assignment.